welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review slash makeup look on this palette right here. It's the Sinopia Palette by Mellow Cosmetics. So if you would like to see this review slash makeup look, then just keep watching. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell so that way you're notified anytime I post a video. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump on in. So I already did this eye off camera, so I'm going to go ahead and do this eye. So we are going to go in with the Sinopia Palette by Mellow Cosmetics. This palette is so beautiful. I already dug into it because obviously I did this eye, but y'all, it is super beautiful, super affordable. Like, look at those colors. They are so pretty. So we're going to go in with this color blush, that one right there. So I am gonna go in with the Anastasia brush. This came in, I believe, the Modern Renaissance palette. So I'm gonna go in with this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this color and then go ahead and start placing it right here on my outer eyelid. So it's okay to be messy with this too. So I'm just going to keep going and blending back and forth and just packing this color on here until I get the color or the pigmentation that I want. Okay, so after I put that on, I am gonna go with this color right here. It's called Nude. So that one right there. So that one I'm gonna go in with the same brush, and I'm gonna place this over top, just right there, on top of the blush that we just applied, or the color blush. And I'm just gonna go over top, and I'm gonna bring it right here. Okay, so just like that. So now I'm gonna go into, let's see, this color right here, and it's called Merlot. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm gonna be taking a Morphe E22 brush. So that right there. So I'm gonna pick up that color Merlot, and I'm gonna place it right on the outer corner of my eye. So we're just gonna go right over top of that blush color. And I'm gonna kind of bring this towards the middle. Okay, so after we do that, I'm gonna go in with some concealer. So I'm gonna be going in with my, if I can find it, I had just had it. So I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape and Tape concealer, and this is in the color Light Sand. So I'm gonna go in with that, and I'm gonna cut my crease. So I'm just gonna blend out this outer part in with the with the concealer. So just like that. So now we're gonna go in with the shade Birch. And this is this pretty shimmery color right here. This is so pigmented. And whenever I apply shimmery shades, I do wet my brush with setting spray, so that's what I'm going to do right now. But even without setting spray, oh my gosh, the pigmentation is so beautiful. So I'm going to pick up that color and I'm going to place it right on top. Like, look at that. Y'all, and this palette is so affordable. Especially because I have a discount code for y'all. And I will leave the link to Mellow Cosmetics down below in the description box. And I'll also have my coupon code down there as well. So you can go out and get you one too. Like, look how pigmented that is. So after I did that, I just went in with my finger just to tap it all in there. And I usually do this all the time, because sometimes some eyeshadows pick up really well with your finger. So don't be afraid to use your finger. So just like that. And then I'm going to go back in with that Morphe E22 brush, and we're going to go back in with Merlot, which was that deep shade right here, and just kind of blend in where the glitter and the Merlot meet. So that's why that way it's not a harsh line right there. Just really blended and really pretty. Again, if you want it like that, that's fine. You do you, boo. You do you, boo, okay? Your face is your canvas. You paint it however the heck you want it. I am not here to tell you how to do your makeup. I'm just showing you how I do my makeup, and maybe that's how you would want to do yours too. So now I'm going to go back in with the Anastasia brush, the one that we used in the beginning, and I'm going to pick up that nude shade and just put it over top and just kind of blend it out. Alright guys, so it's going to look just like that. So now I'm going to go in with my makeup wipe and just clean all the eyeshadow fallout that came down here. And that's with some palettes don't have as much fallout, but again, I always pack my brush and put it all on. So that's why I like to do my eyeshadow before I do my foundation, just so that way I don't get nothing on my foundation and then there goes your whole day ruined because you got eyeshadow all over on your foundation. Have to start all over again. Okay, so after that I did a wing eyeliner. You don't have to, it's up to you, because I know some wing eyeliners, they can go right or wrong. You can have a good wing eyeliner day, you could have a bad one, you could have a thick one, you could have a thin one. So many things can go wrong, but I went ahead and just did a wing eyeliner. So again, I'm going to take my e.l.f. wing eyeliner and do a wing. Okay, so now we have our wing on, so I'm going to put on some mascara. And then we're going to pop on some lashes. So the lashes I'm going to be using today is by K Rose Boutique. I'll link her Instagram name in the description and her boutique. And these are in the style Gold Digger. So the trick, everybody always asks me, how do you apply these lashes? You know, I have so much trouble. So as soon as I put the glue, and this is the glue that I use. Sorry, it's all ugly and crusty and gross, but it's the Duo glue. I use another one, I can't remember. I think no, I'm not too sure, but it comes with lashes. But I got this one and I like it because the applicator, it's like a flat applicator, so that's really good. Some of them are like brushes, and I don't mind using the brushes too, but this one's really good. So I put the mascara, I put the glue on, and then I just kind of wait for a little bit, maybe like 15 seconds. Let it get a little tacky, and then I apply it. And when I apply it downwards like that. So I'm gonna show you right now. So I'm gonna apply it like this, just like that, and then I apply it with the tweezers as well. And then I adjust the outer corner and the inner corner, and then that should be it. And then I just go like this and press it down just to make sure it's all on there. And just like that. Super easy, guys. If y'all want me to make a tutorial with just how to apply lashes, I can do that for y'all as well. So this is the completed eye look. So pretty, guys. This palette is so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation, everything off camera, and then I'll jump right back on so we can do the bottom lash line, and then that will be the completed look. So I will be right back. Alrighty, guys, so I already did my full face off camera. So now I'm gonna be going back in with the Sinopia Palette by Mellow Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be going with blush, and then was it Merlot? Yeah, Merlot. And I'm going to be taking that underneath my lash line. So let's go ahead and go in with blush. And I'm going to be taking the Naked 3 eye brush. So just like that. And then I'm going to be taking the Merlot, which is this dark shade right here. And I'm going to be going with this end of the brush. And then I'm going to try to get this color as close to my waterline as possible. And then if you have any fallout, you can just I get this brush and just wipe it off. So I'm going to be going in with my white eyeliner, just because I got some eyeshadow on it. So just like that. I love white eyeliner, y'all. My eyes are big already, but if you have little small eyes, and I know sometimes when you put black eyeliner, it makes your eyes look really, really small. So get you some white eyeliner, because that makes your eyes look super big. You look super wide awake, and it just opens up your eyes so much, and it complements your eyes. Don't get me wrong, I love black eyeliner, but lately I've just been white eyeliner, white eyeliner, white eyeliner. And this one I got at Walmart, the white eyeliner. It's by, because I know I'm gonna get questions, Maybelline, and it's in the color 970 Polish White. So just put a little bit of mascara. So just like that. I do want to highlight my inner corner. So let me find a brush. So I think I'm gonna go in with this champagne color. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with this champagne color right here and just pop that in my inner corner. Oh yeah, you see what a difference that makes compared to that side? I love a good inner highlight. So just like that. And then lastly, I'm gonna go in with Let me see. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's called, okay, I'm gonna pronounce it the way I pronounce it is pecan, but I know it's pecan, whatever floats your boat. So I'm gonna go in with pecan and just go underneath my brow bone just to highlight that a little bit. Oh yeah. That's what I needed, a little brow highlight. So this is the completed look, you guys. I know I'm gonna get questions on my lip, what I use for my lips. So this is the Milani lip liner, and it's in the color 09 Spice. So this is the Milani, and then it's in the color 09 Spice. And then I went over top with some gloss, and this one I got at our local Dollar Tree, and it's by LA Colors, and it's just a lip gloss, and it's in BLG63. That's just all it says, but it's this, and it looks like a peachy color. And then this is, I guess, the shade number. So that right there. So this is the completed look, y'all. I am in love with this palette. Like I said, I will leave my link down below in the description box, and I will have my coupon code is on there as well, so that way y'all can go purchase this palette because it is beautiful, super affordable. They do have, you know, lip glosses, matte lipsticks, eyeshadows, like everything. They have everything. So go ahead and hop onto their website, Mellow Cosmetics. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below in the description with my discount code. So this is the completed look. These eyeshadows were super beautiful, super pigmented, and I am in love. And also don't forget to check out Crystal's lashes at K Rose Boutique. I will also put that in the description, so that way y'all can go ahead and get some lashes from her, because her lashes are bomb. They're beautiful, and if you love dramatic eyelashes like I do, she has tons of dramatic lashes, from natural to glam to glamorous. That's what I guess I could say, glamorous. Yeah. So again, I'll leave her Instagram boutique down below, so that way y'all can go on there. I don't have a coupon code. Hopefully I can get one for y'all soon. But again, her lashes are already affordable, so go hop on there and get y'all some lashes as well. So I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.